How to share Netflix account with friends. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you how you can share your Netflix account with friends, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to share your Netflix account with friends, you cannot do it without sharing your password. But even after you share your password, there will be an option to select profiles. So let's say if I open the Netflix tab on my phone as well as my friend's phone, here I will be able to create a multiple of 5 profiles. So currently I've added 4 profiles. I can add one more person by simply adding a profile over here. And when you share your password or your Netflix account password with your friends, you will be able to just go ahead and then basically let them or tell them that they have to watch Netflix from their own profile or not mess with your profile. So if you want to create a new profile, right here you'll find this option called add profile. You will be able to go ahead and then basically create a new profile. As I said, the maximum count of actually adding a profile is up to 5 profiles, and you cannot also of course share it without your Netflix password, so they need to have the password. But there's also one thing you need to understand, that you have 5 profiles does not mean you have to share it only to 5 friends. It doesn't necessarily mean that. You can share it to as many people as you'd like, but the thing is that depending upon your plan, there are going to be limitations. For example, on my basic mobile plan, you can only watch 1 at a time. On standard plan, maybe 2 or 3 at a time, or 2 times screen time or anything as such. In the 4K premium plan, you can stream up to all of the 5 people at once without any type of restrictions. So that's how it's basically going to work. So if you don't want your friends to mess with your profile, in that case also you can just choose to lock your profile. As you can see, I've locked in mine. Now if you want to learn this, I'm not going to cover them here because the video is going to be quite long. Instead, I'll have a link down in the description box, or you can search them up in our channel in case I just happen to forget it, on how you can go ahead and then basically lock your Netflix profile so that other people other than you cannot actually access it. This way you'll be able to share your Netflix account with friends. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.